Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how I interlock my VIP client's hair. When I say I am loving this color that she done, I am loving this color. Sometimes it's just nice to be able to get some color in your hair with locks. It just bring out the locks. And when I say these locks look so nice, she used to have black locks, and probably maybe about a good 3 months ago, she dyed them blonde, and I could truly say I love them. But guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how I am going to be interlocking her hair. What I'll be using today is I like to use water, oil, and a great essential oil. This time I'll be using peppermint oil. I'll also be using aloe vera gel to retwist with, and I'll also be using oil. I'll be using a peppermint oil on her hair. I like to always use those products because I don't want any buildup. And when I say that type of product, you don't have to worry about any buildup at all. So if you are trying to find a great product for your hair, try those. I know you will love them. And I also like to use a serum. I'm using the OGX serum on the actual locks itself. What I like to do is first wet the locks and then I put the serum on the locks. And you only use a very, very little bit. It does not take a lot. I'll include a link to the OGX dry oil. When I say I love it, I love it. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be sectioning her hair off because I like to section off my client's hair before I do it. But go ahead, get you some popcorn, sit back, relax, get you something to drink, and I'm going to show you how I, again, section off my client's hair, moisturize it, interlock it, and then I'll show you the end results. Go ahead, guys, press the subscribe button now so you can be notified of all my new videos. And don't only press the subscribe button, please don't forget to press that bell so you, again, will be notified of all my videos. And I just want to take the time out, too, to give everyone a shout out. If you've been checking out my videos, I truly, truly appreciate you. I see y'all all. Truly, truly appreciate y'all. Because without y'all, my videos will go nowhere. So I would love for you guys to make sure you sharing it, liking it, and commenting. That will make the world of difference for me, and it's free. And don't forget to subscribe also. Okay, sit back, relax, enjoy. Any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. And if you are looking for you a new loctician, I would love to be able to do your hair. I not only do locks, I also do crochet, kids hair, men's hair, all kind of styles. I am a true hairdresser. I will put all my information in the video description box. Again, I am located in Dallas, Georgia. Okay?
I don't have to pay that. I paid for it years. Yeah, you know, maybe they put it up there so they can let people know that this is the shit most regular motherfuckers cannot afford. Yeah, but you do know they're not giving me the room though, see? I'm working for it. I ain't say he wasn't, bro. Don't get sensitive, man. How about this, see? I'm happy to see you, man. I'm happy to see you too, man. Coming up and everything. Yes, sir. On the grind, on tour. Yes, sir. Got the kitty movie coming out, going big. It's not a kitty movie, see, it's a superhero movie. Superhero movie that's almost at $1 billion. Wow, dude, I ain't seen it.
$1 billion. A movie. Wouldn't that be crazy?
Yeah. It's not your thing, you know, it's a kitty movie. You know, gotta be a kitty movie. Maybe you just saying that to be nice. Why would my son lie to you? How about this? Whether you saw it, didn't see it, didn't like it, it doesn't matter. The studio wants to give me $25 million to do nothing. So somebody somebody likes it. Oh yeah, that's good. They definitely do that. Yeah, because kiddies love that shit. That's the third or fourth kiddies. Can't keep track at this point. Man, I'm sorry about the restaurant. Hey, we ain't there yet, man. Just gotta work some things out. We did. I still got the liquor license though. She got no restaurant. But as long as I got the liquor license, I can come back. Liquor license means nothing without the restaurant. We on 1.3 mil now? It's over. No, it ain't over. But I know we in deep, but you know, look, bro. Liquor license is not transferable. It's like 400, 500 kilos. Oh, yeah. Terry told me you called me, you asked for $600,000. Terry got an attitude, man. Cut this shit, man. Terry got an attitude, man. I want to check that
See,
movie.
stop. $600,000, see?
Look. You take money to make money, right? Yeah. I know. I done fucked up some shit. I ain't trying to be like the burden of it.
I tell you, let's not. I just got here. Just checked in. I see my older brother out with this.
Yeah.
Let's have a good time.
Yeah, that's
Right.
right. That's right.
Right?
Yeah. All the boys on your whole crew gonna be there tonight.
Now we talking.
Mm-hmm.
The whole crew?
Mm.
Is Gus gonna be there? I ain't seen Gus in the longest time, man. I miss Gus. Talking shit.
Gus not gonna be there, man.
Why?
Gus dead.
How can you Gus died? What? You didn't tell me Gus died. Why didn't you tell me Gus died?
Cause Gus ain't dead.
I was like, why you gonna lie like that? I'm like, he's just stupid.
He never did, right?
Yes, go.
Right,
I
yeah.
told you to get dressed. You came back out of this. This what you wearing tonight?
What's wrong with this?
That's what you wearing. That's what
You want me to double breast?
No. You do you. That's your vibe, not mine. I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll be out in a little bit. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Yeah.
So it seemed like he was just starting to get comfortable with us being apart.
Seems so, but he wants to come see you on the road.
I mean, I would love that. I just don't know how I would make that work. I just don't want him to think that I'm not focused on him. You know what I mean? And his needs. Especially with you being a baby mama now, I feel like I gotta up the ante on my presence.